Here are some electrical safety and precaution tips for you. 1. Use caution when working with electricity. Do not want to touch live electrical wires or devices. 2. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, such as rubber gloves and safety glasses, when working with electrical systems. 3. Never use water to extinguish an electrical fire. Use a dry chemical fire extinguisher. 4. Keep electrical cords and wiring in good condition. Do not use damaged cords or wires. 5. Never overload extension cords or electrical outlets. 6. Keep electrical devices and equipment away from damp or wet areas. 7. Use a ground fault circuit interrupter to help prevent electrical shock in areas where water is present. 8. Use a voltage tester to ensure that electrical devices and circuits are de-energized before working on them. 9. Only qualified electricians should perform work on the electrical equipment. 10. If you are not trained in electrical work, always seek the help of a qualified electrician for any electrical repairs or installations. Comment below other tips you may have that you would like to share. Thanks for watching.